Hi, my name is Logan Handsaker. I'm a product sales specialist with Leader Technology. I want to talk about guidance today. One really exciting feature that we have with our guidance products is TurnPath. And it's a product that is very simple to use, which is very important, but it allows the user to fully take a hands-off approach to guidance at the end of the turns. So we are automatically turning the vehicle at the end of each turn, which takes a lot of complexity out of those turns and builds consistency across those turns across the field. So this product or this feature is supported with all of our guidance solutions that we offer today, our Steady Steer product, as well as our integrated steering product, Steer Command Z2. And so we really wanted to continue to evolve our guidance and add more features and functions to those products that we provide today to really improve the operational life and simplicity of that operator. Once again, if you want more information of this product, you can visit agleader.com or visit with your local AgLeader sales representative.